Welcome to Run Deal. Today I'm gonna review this amazing wall organizer that I got for me. I installed on my shed, but if you wanna install on your garage, it's fine. And like you guys see, super easy to install, super well made. It's really nice to organize your tools. I just put a few of those, but it comes with a lot of more. Like you guys see, it comes with a lot of things to organize your tools, more heavy tools if you have, or small tools like Allen keys and screwdriver, even shovels if you have. So it's great, and drills, everything you need, everything you have, you can install here. You can organize, put everything organized, not on a floor, and you're gonna feel more spaces. It's really nice. So I recommend it. Hope you guys like it. Bye.